Hi there, it's Carla Gadet, and welcome to this session when I'm going to tell you how to set up rich pins on Pinterest for your WordPress website. Rich pins, it's a great thing to have on your website, whether you have a blog or you have an online shop with products. It's a great thing because when you install rich pins, Pinterest will pull out automatically information about your blog post or about your product. It will pull out automatically from your website to your pins. So it will also show the name, your name. It will also show your logo or your photo, depending on what you have. So it's a great thing to have because it will increase your chances to be click through to your website, so for people to click through to visit your website or visit your blog. And it's also give you a more professional look on Pinterest, so your pins will have a more professional look. Also, it's a great thing for products because if you update your prices on your website, the prices will be automatically updated on your pins as well, even for repins. So it's a great thing. It's a great thing to have, and I'm going to show you how to set up rich pins for your WordPress website. This is specifically for WordPress because that's my thing. It's WordPress. That's my bread and butter. So I'm going to tell you how to do this specifically for WordPress. It's very simple. It's just a couple of steps that will take you longer than 5 minutes, and I like to make things simple because I'm not a developer myself. I don't do any coding, so, and I'm sure lots of you are not as well, so I'll try to make it as simple as possible. So if you go to your WordPress dashboard, and here is mine, I'm using my website as an example. So I use the Yoast SEO plugin for to add rich pins. So this is also a great plugin for SEO if you're not using it yet. So you basically just write it here, you find it, and then you install the plugin and then click. I have installed it already, so I'm going to click here on the blue button on activate to activate the plugin. All right, so I have done it. So if I come here to the plugin, it's the last one I've got at the bottom of my plugin list. So I click on settings. Then I click on features and just make sure you've got everything on, especially the security. This is good not just for rich pins, but in general for your SEO. The SEO of a website is a great plugin. So make sure you have everything on. So that's it. Then the next step, it's going to be you have to go to rich pins validator. So this is a Pinterest tool. I'll show you the URL. It's the developers.pinterest.com tools URL debugger. So I'm sure if you type on Google Pinterest rich pins validator, so you'll get there. So what you need to do next, it's let's say for example you have a blog and you have articles on your blog and you want to add rich pins to your blog. So you have to find one of your blog posts. So I have a blog post on my website about how to set up rich pins. So I'm going to use this one. So you come here to the top, you copy the URL, and then you go to the other page, to the rich pins validator page on Pinterest, and you write it here. When it says enter a valid URL, you paste the URL of your blog post and click on validate. And then Pinterest will do this magic. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so it says congratulations, your rich pins are approved and on Pinterest. This is great. So I've got my rich pins on Pinterest now. Uh, the next step, if Pinterest asks you for a next step, it would be to, I will go back to my blog post about it. So we've done step 1, install the plugin. We've done step 2, visit the rich pins validator. And step 3, if Pinterest asks you for a step 3, it will be to click on apply now. Here on the Pinterest page, there will be some kind of button to click on apply now. It doesn't show me the apply now button because I have applied before, so I'm just doing this again just to show you guys in this video how to do it, but I have done it before. That's why I don't need that third step. But if you have to do that third step, it's just click on the button where it says apply now, and that's it. So usually Pinterest is very quick on approving rich pins. So it's usually it's about a couple of hours or a bit longer, but it doesn't take more than a day, I would say. And that's it. Then you will start seeing all your pins on Pinterest. They've become rich pins. So one thing that I would recommend as well, because Pinterest is going to start pulling all information from your pins, from your website, I would recommend that you write a strong title with all your keywords for your blog posts and your products, if it's a case of products. And also here, the first few sentences is what Pinterest is going to pull out from your blog post. So make sure it includes all your keywords and it's relevant, because this is what's going to show on Pinterest. If you have products, so you're gonna want to write a very good description of the product that tells exactly what it is. So that's it, guys. I hope this helps, and I hope this is useful for you, and you'll be able to add rich pins to your Pinterest and see a major difference in your exposure and your reach on Pinterest. So for more tips on Pinterest marketing, please visit my website carlagadit.com. I have the link on the description of this video. And that's all for us for now. Thank you. Bye.